Hi guys! So, ito I'm preparing na for our day 1 appointment dito sa Korea. Today, magko-factory tour tayo. Medyo late na nga ako but it's fine kasi medyo malapit lang naman yung location dito. Mag-aayos lang tayo ng konti kasi mga doctors from others country and even Philippines ang mga makakasama natin for today. Kaya kailangan medyo formal naman tayo tignan. It's already 10:30 dito. Ang appointment namin is 12 but we have to be there by 11 a.m. Okay, I'm ready and bababa na tayo. Still waiting for other doctors to come and then papasok na tayo sa loob. Picture.
Come inside.
Come inside, okay. Okay. Yan yung June. So, we're about to go na. Antayin na lang natin sila.
This one when you shoot beauty, the face start. Those Korean now, their face start what to do.
Oo. Shoot naman sila ng video using drone. Ayun, nasa taas. Di ko alam kung nakikita nyo. Ayan. Ayan! Okay.
Hello! Lexyal! Hello!
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, good.
there is a table. You can have Let's go, come on.
After my presentation, we're gonna go around the factories, see how our fillers are.
Okay.
We're honored to have you all in this moment. I hope you liked our tour, our seminar, and our exhibition. Once again, thanks very much for coming to Korea. Welcome you all. As you already know, our main brand is called Lexyal. Our main business is Lexyal C certified filler, PLA, flour, polynucleotide, device and phase, residue, and lipo. With this product, we are keep producing and developing. Our doctors all over the world, what they do is that we know that juvenile filler is well-known filler, so the customer asks for a juvenile filler, but like filler needs to retouch.
Oh, two?
No, just this one, juvenile, 0.5, yeah, 0.5, Uramis, 0.5 here. Yeah. It's up to half. 0.5 cc, please.
0.5.
Squeeze in the same amount. So we have very high amount of PLA, which is 200 milligrams, and also it contains hyaluronic acid and trehalose and CMC. When you have used a PLA product, the first generation was Sculptra. The Sculptra, what is the problem with Sculptra was nojo. It takes some time to mix completely, because this is why on a Juveroc they have vortex mixer, and vortex mixer it needs 30 minutes to completely mix.
Wow. Ito yung Juveloc. Ayan. So, it takes 20 to 35 minutes siya bago ma-dissolve. Anong meds to do? Estafil. Ito naman yung Estafil. Yung nauna kanina is yung Juveloc. Ito yung product from Lexyal. Mas mabilis siya ma-dissolve compared dun sa mga nauna natin pinakita.
If you choose a PLA product, it is very important to choose the right one, because once the nodules are appear, you have to go to plastic surgeon, do the surgery and so on. But with our flower, we didn't have any side effect for nodule because it mixes very well. Even though it has very high amount of healing, it mixes very well, safe, and the satisfaction of the customer is good because collagen stimulation is with a PLA 200 milligram maximizer. So this is the main advantage of flower. And tomorrow's seminar we will show how the Korean doctors mix with HA filler. So they mix with the HA filler and flower solution, and this effect goes short time with the HA filler and long time with the PLA. The DNA will be very not pure, but our Diva Eyes and Diva Face polynucleotide is from the France, which is like very clean and purity, which means our polynucleotide is very pure. This is why since we have this product, we didn't have a side effect. Our last product, Reju and Lipo. You know that there is a lot of product with a PDRN, there's a lot of product with a PN, but there's no product with a PDR and PN together. But Reju contains PDR and PN together. The advantage of contains PDR and PN together is that PDR is a short DNA, PN is a long DNA. So PDRN can cause a very quick rejuvenation, and PN goes a long term. So with PDRN and PN together, within the short time, the patient can feel the difference, and with a long time, still can get the rejuvenation. So this is the main advantage of Reju. But we have 3 steps on it. We dissolve the fat, we cut it down the fat, and we eliminate the fat. So this is all our product. Under the Lexyal brand, we have filler, PLA product, polynucleotide product, biotitle, skin booster, and lipolytic product. What we do is we keep developing our protocol with doctors, and if you guys can help us to make a protocol, it will be our honor to have you guys as lucky doctors. So what we do is we are not only selling the product, we keep developing our protocol, we keep developing our product. We want your satisfaction to be maximized, which can go to your customer.
Ano yun, Doc?
Yung products nila.
Yung products. Okay. Ang galing. Products ulit. Thank you, thank you. Okay, another gifts from Lexyal. Diba, Dok, na-try natin yung Zerotox at saka yung Lexyal. Ayan, meron tayong free na filler. And ayun, Lexyal. Tama. Hindi, flower pala to. And here's the skin booster. And another filler. Hello!
은 클린룸 공간이라서 사람들이 갈 수 있는 그 장소까지만 투어를 진행할 예정입니다.
There's a room for the clean room, so we're gonna go to the non-clean room because the person cannot go into the clean room because it's been all sterilized.
그래서 보여드릴 부분은 제일 마지막 공정인 자동화 포전 공정하고 그리고 이제 유틸리티 공간을 보실 예정입니다.
So we're gonna go to the 2 places. First one is the last part of producing it, automatic packing process and utility.
Sorry.
자동차들이 리얼타임으로 지금 조작하고 있는 걸 보시면 네. 그렇게 많이 이제 수동으로 하는 애들도 있는데
One-step solution because this is very sensitive.
우리가 필러를 많이 내는 보조 장치라고 하는데
This is a place where we actually make the filler.
The way I want to.
function yan. Pero yes, ito yung first stage kung paano ginagawa yung filler. Okay? Ito na yung finished product na pagkakagawa nila. So, as you can see dito, pinapak na nila yung mga nanggaling dun sa machine. Tapos, ito naman yung finished product din na to. Pinapak na nila, nilalagay na nila sa box talaga. Okay? So, ngayon, punta tayo dito. So, ito another stage ng machines na ginagamit nila.
Right? Oops.
용도에 따라서 다 각각의
In-explain dito na kailangan nakaganito siya para ma-avoid yung contamination. Kaya hindi tayo pwede pumunta sa clinic kasi kailangan naka-clinic tayo pwede. Oh, I'll upload it.
And then we can take our bag and go to the next place.
그거 한 번 더 할게요. 해보고요. 1, 3. 오케이. 나이스 라스트. 1, 3. 오케이. 수고하셨습니다.
So, ngayon dito tayo sa museum, Korean Museum. Malapit doon sa pinuntahan natin factory kanina. Yung mga kasama natin, yung mga doctors. Ngayon papasok tayo sa loob. This is our last activity for today.
조금만 더 가깝게.
Okay.
Раз, два, три. Ура!
Cheers! 짠! Sorry. Lexyal! Hey, so we're done for our appointment today. Tomorrow naman is meron tayong doctor demo sa clinic. Gagawa ako ng another video for that. That's it for tonight and see you again tomorrow. Bye!